All right, it's Friday, February the 5th. We made it through another week. This is what we worked on today. So for review, I asked the class, it was 3 questions, I think. The first question, during a hurricane, companies have to limit the amount of gas customers can purchase. They also have to increase the price per gallon. This is called what type of pricing? This is called rationing because there is a shortage. Pepsi and Coke are considered to be what type of competition? They are considered to be direct or head-to-head competitors. And Apple and Samsung dominate the cell phone industry. They are said to be what type of competition because they control the market. These 2 companies are considered to be an oligopoly. New stuff. So we only have 2 new vocabulary terms today. The first one is perfect competition. So yesterday we talked about different types of competition. Okay. And today we're finishing that up with perfect competition. So if you have or are a perfect competitor, you have a lot of competition. So there's a lot of different businesses, even in a small area, that compete head to head with each other. And pretty much you can be successful if you open up this type of business as long as you provide good quality products and services and you're reasonably priced. Because with these, customers have so many different choices where if they don't like your company or if you make them upset, they're going to go somewhere else. Okay, so like getting your oil changed. If you don't like Jiffy Lube, you're going to go somewhere else. A car wash. You don't like the quality of the car wash, you're going to go to the one down the street. If you get an attorney, not satisfied, go to somebody else, an accountant. So there's a lot of different companies that will be included in this. And just remember that the demand for these companies is perfectly elastic. So if you don't like the service or the product, you're going to get out. Elastic exit, and you're going to go somewhere else. And then last, antitrust laws. Our government passes laws that protect us from huge corporations manipulating us, whether it's with prices or with advertising or with just these huge companies merging together as one conglomerate. So antitrust laws are passed to protect the average consumer from being taken advantage of by these large companies. Now, a cartel is, we're not talking about a drug cartel here. So we're talking about a business situation. Business cartels are illegal. And this is when 2 huge companies like Walmart or Target would come together and start manipulating the prices maybe of groceries. Or Samsung and Apple coming together and saying, you know what, for both brands of our cell phones, we're going to charge $5,000 a piece. That way we can rip off customers because they don't have any other choice. And we can make some big bucks. And then also, just remember that ethics, companies have to make decisions based on what's right and what's wrong. So I'm not talking about illegal. Unethical does not necessarily mean illegal. So if you lie to your mama and daddy about whether you did your chores, that's unethical, but not illegal. Unethical is like this little demon on your shoulder saying, yeah, you know, you should cheat on your girlfriend. You should cheat on your boyfriend. They won't find out. So it's not illegal. It's just not right. All right, so we reviewed some of these companies, some of these types of competition that we covered this week. So Louis Vuitton will be non-price competition. Shell, Chevron, BP, and Exxon, these would be either direct competitors or they could be price competitors as well. All of these, we see, you know, different oranges, maybe from different farmers in the same location, so probably price competition. McDonald's and Applebee's, they both sell food, but they don't compete directly against each other. So these 2 companies, one's fast food, one's sit down, will be indirect competition. Rocky Mountain Utilities is a regulated monopoly because in some locations, they're the only option that will offer you utilities. So the government has to watch them very carefully. Pizza places, they are direct competition. HBO, Netflix, they would be direct, possibly price competition. Ford, Toyota, Chrysler, Direct. And that was it for today. Yeah, so go in and do your exit ticket. Remember, your project on your dream vacation is due Sunday. I'll see you guys Monday.